Did you know the global freight forwarding market grew by 8% in 2017, its highest annual gain since 2010? What does this mean for you as a freight forwarder? It means dealing with more competition from traditional and new tech-savvy freight forwarders. How do you then gain your customers' trust, retain them, and secure your ROI in this cutthroat market? In this webinar, see how you can provide the latest market rates movements to your customers and give them the transparency and awareness they need.